What's up, you guys? It's your boy Sticks, man, and we're back outside. We are in Times Square right now. We're not there yet, but we are on our way. So right now we have my boy Jonathan, also known as JD, in the 435. We also have my other boy Cardi in the M6. So we're just gonna come to the city, make some noise, have some fun, and that's what we do. You know what I mean? I'm gonna make some noise for you, bro. I've told you guys I'm back on the YouTube grind, so that's what we're trying to do now. We're trying to make some content, and that's what we're gonna do. As you guys can hear, we got the boys behind us. Oh boy, that thing sounds crazy. But last video you guys seemed to really enjoy us going back to the city, and today it was supposed to rain, but we figured why not come back and hopefully it doesn't actually rain so we can enjoy tonight. Hopefully it's not too much traffic on the way. I actually have kind of no idea where I'm going because I don't have the GPS on. I'm just kind of going with what I remember. We're gonna be safe, of course, not go too crazy, just have fun safely. That's our biggest goal. Our main concern is have fun, but do it safely. That intake sounds nuts. No intake. Thanks, huge shout out to Keys for sending it off to me. Stay tuned. I gotta actually this video will probably be out after I upload that video, so if you guys are interested in knowing how I installed the intake, make sure you go check out that video. If I don't talk too much, it's just enjoy the little ASMR kind of video, I guess. Damn, these bumps over here look crazy. Avoiding the potholes like always. We going crazy, I ain't even gonna lie. Is this 7th Ave? I don't even know if this is 7th Ave. I think so. I think so. Well, this is Broadway now. We got a next street. I kind of feel the drizzle already. It's starting to drizzle a little bit. Hopefully it's not like heavy rain, and we should be okay. Hopefully. Let's see how packed. It is a Friday night, so city should be pretty solid. Doesn't look like there's too much traffic. Maybe once we get a little closer, driving through actual Times Square is gonna get a little bit more hectic. But besides that, right now we should be pretty good. Look at this guy. This is when you have to be very careful, eyes peeled. A lot of cops, a lot of crazy people out here. Keep an eye for everything. Yo, it could be like negative 1,000 degrees, rain until like almost drown, and there still will be people here in Times Square. This is the craziest thing. Little Times Square, little rev. If it stays drizzling like this, at least it's not too bad. You know what I mean? As long as it's not like crazy, a lot of rain, we should be good. Oh man, look at all that, man. Look at all that. What the hell? What the hell? Let's go, guys. What the heck? This big ass bus is messing everything up, bro. Oh my god, great. Well, this is great. I'm just here caught in the middle of all of it. All these people. Look at what's happening in front of me right now. Wow. These people are just in the street, just doing it all, bruh. I think we got a crazy amount of traffic right now that we created. And I'm moving up. Oh, look at her. Okay. All right. Yeah. You got it, babe. When I'm out, fire. Easy now, get out the way. Everybody just move. The steering wheel in the city, Joe, just looks fire. Like under actual lights, like with the lights, it actually looks so good. What is going on right now? Is this guy gonna crash? Look how close he's getting to that car. There's no way. Holy shit. That guy is crazy. I guess we're revving it. Times Square with it. Cheers, get out the way, ugly. All right, y'all, I guess we're just stuck here, so I'm just gonna freaking park off somewhere, and then we're gonna just get out the car and see what's up. But there's way too much people here for me, to be honest. So we have made it. There's an absolutely crazy amount of people outside, and it literally took us forever just to park, but we did get the video done for you guys. So make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Stay tuned for more videos, man. If you guys want to see more videos of me in the city, comment it down below, and I'm gonna give you guys just that. Hope you guys did enjoy, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.